How to generate images in Perplexity AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Viz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to generate images in Perplexity AI. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your PC. Now at the top search box, search for www.perplexity.ai. Now you will be directed to the Perplexity AI website. And to generate images on Perplexity, simply tap on Ask Anything box and enter the prompt of the image you want. For example, my prompt will be a girl in a pink dress. Now Perplexity AI will show you images of a girl wearing a pink dress, which is according to the prompt I entered. But these images are not AI generated images. So in order to generate AI image, all you need to do is click on Generate Image at the left corner. But this feature is only available for the pro users. So if you want to generate AI images using Perplexity, you need to purchase the pro feature. So this is how to generate images in Perplexity AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.